Hey, welcome back to SkyTech. Last class, I showed you how to build a real app with AI. Today, I'm going to show you how people mess it up. Because I've watched hundreds of beginners try this, and almost all of them fail for the same 7 reasons. Avoid these, and you are already ahead of 90% of people. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, being vague. This is the big one. People open up an AI builder, type "make me an app," and then they're shocked when they get garbage back. But that is not the AI's fault. It built exactly what you described, which was basically nothing. Remember, the AI is like a brilliant new employee that does exactly what you say. So be specific. Tell it what the app is, what the user can do, and what it should look like. Vague in, vague out. Specific in, magic out. The quality of your app is the quality of your words. Mistake number 2, changing everything at once. You look at your app, you see 10 things you want to fix, so you type all 10 into one giant message. And then something breaks, and you have no idea which change caused it. One change at a time, that is the rule. Make a change, look at the result, then make the next one. It feels slower, but it's actually faster because you never get lost and you never have to start over. Mistake number 3, you quit the moment it breaks. Something turns red, an error pops up, and your brain goes, "See, I knew I couldn't do this." Stop right there. Breaking is not failing. Breaking is just the next step. When it breaks, you do one simple thing. You describe what went wrong in plain words, and you let the AI fix it. The people who succeed at this are not smarter than you. They just didn't give up when the screen turned red. Mistake number 4, you build forever and you never ship. This one is sneaky because it actually feels productive. You keep adding features, you keep polishing, you keep tweaking, and you never put the thing online. Here is the hard truth. A simple app that is live beats a perfect app that only you have ever seen. Ship the small version first. You can always improve it tomorrow. Done beats perfect every single time. Mistake number 5, you accept ugly. The AI gives you a working app, but it looks a little plain, and you just leave it like that. Please don't. You are one sentence away from professional. Just say, make this look more modern and premium. Add smooth animations. Use better spacing and a nicer font. The AI already knows great design. You just have to ask for it. Ugly is a choice, and it's a choice you never have to make. Mistake number 6, skipping the testing. You build something, it looks finished, and you immediately send a link to a friend. And it's broken. Embarrassing. Before you share anything, spend 2 minutes testing it yourself. Click every button, add something, delete it, reload the page. Try to break it on purpose before a real user does it for you. Testing is the difference between an app that looks done and an app that actually is done. Mistake number 7, tool hopping. There is a shiny new AI builder every single week, and beginners spend all their time jumping between them, watching reviews, comparing features, and never actually building anything. Here's the secret nobody tells you. The tool barely matters. They all work. Pick one, learn it, build the thing. The person who masters one tool will always beat the person who dabbles in 10. And one bonus mistake, the deepest one of all, comparing yourself to people who started years ago. You watch someone build something incredible, and you think, I will never get there. But here's the thing, they started exactly where you are right now. The only difference between you and them is reps. So get your reps in. Build badly, build often. You will be shocked how fast you catch up. Let's recap the 7 fast. 1, don't be vague, be specific. 2, one change at a time. 3, when it breaks, describe it and fix it, never quit. 4, ship the simple version. 5, ask for polish, don't accept ugly. 6, test it before you share it. And 7, pick one tool and build. Avoid those 7 and you are not a beginner anymore. If you haven't watched the full how-to yet, it's linked right in the description. Go watch that next and you'll have everything you need to start. And subscribe because next class, we take the app you build and we turn it into money. Class dismissed. Now go build something. Let's go.